Okay, we decided to open this box even though there are people in the store. You know what? I'm sorry, there has not been a moment where it has not been busy. We're having a huge sale and we keep getting fall. So depends on what you're in the mood for. We are here for it. Oh, we're opening Autumn Cashmere. Oh, hi everyone.
Hey.
Autumn Cashmere. Okay, so this delivery of Autumn Cashmere is brought to you by Autumn Cashmere. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. I bought this collection of Autumn Cashmere specifically for those of you who are going out at night and buy now, wear now, that you're not looking for cashmere sweaters. So this is a perfect going out top with a pair of jeans. Lisa, you're on my sight line. Remember, we cannot do that. Thank you. I don't like people watching me when I do a video. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, am I right? Am I right? It's a little touch of Prada, wouldn't you say that? I don't know if Prada would do that, but Prada would do that. And the buttons, and the color. This is gorgeous. This is a size large. They start from extra small. And I hate to tell you, I already know the customer that wants all of these in extra small and they're gonna be a sight for her. You know who you are. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The color, the shape, the everything, the fabric. If you're tired of those oversized clothes, this is the delivery for you. Okay, I'm out of light because this is cashmere. Please come and try this. First of all, you cannot tell this color. It is navy. It is navy, but it has a green tint to it. Where the collar open and where it is big like that. Double zipper. We all know I love a double zipper. This with a tank top underneath it. It's somewhere between sexy and casual. And that's all I have. No, maybe I have one more. Maybe I have one more. Ooh, what's this? What's? You know what? This has no hanger appeal. I assure you, it is magnifique. Look at the sleeve and look at the color. Denim friendly. It's a navy that looks great with black. It's a great fabric. I don't think this is wool. I think this is a cotton. Oh, okay, I don't know. It feels like cotton. Hold on, bear with me. Yes, cotton by Autumn Cashmere. Okay, ladies, please come visit. That's it. Goodbye.